So, welcome to LS Fest East, the first day. We are parked way out in the boondocks, but I think we're near the tech stand, I think. Not sure how it all works here, so we're gonna get unloaded and then I guess go from there and see what happens. So guys, we're finally to the staging lanes. It has been a mess today. They kept telling us to go back. Everybody's running, so it is really busy up here today. We did get to see the El Camino, which we'll see later. I'm gonna try to go find it, but for now we're gonna see what it does and see what happens. So guys, we ran our first pass, 1080 off the trailer, 1081 off the trailer, 128 miles an hour on what, 11 pounds? By mistake, so 11 pounds. We've got turned up a little bit more now. Me and Steve are both kind of impressed for off the trailer how much power it actually took on the track. So now everything's kind of calming down before the next runs. We're gonna go walk around and find some food and see what we can find for free up here. guys, 11:20 at 136 for the second pass, and we only added a couple pounds of boost. We got, let's see, 7, so we got about 6 more.
Not 11:20.
10:20 at 136 miles an hour.
Which means we're going for 9 seconds.
Yeah, we're gonna try to hit that 9-second mark, but now we gotta go figure out the rules in our class, because none of us know. But I'm extremely excited about it. The car is running great. Steve actually had to leave, so he's gonna come back tomorrow and do some more tuning on it. And we're gonna walk up to the front, try to figure out the rules for my actual class. So we'll walk up there and see what else we can find. So guys, we're back at our farm. Everything went great today. It did much better than we ever expected. Sorry for the little bit short video. We had some issues with the video because I kind of messed up in the settings, and I had other people helping me video today because I can't do it all. There's just too much for me to try to video and run, so I have my wife and my buddy Joe helping me while me and Steve kind of focus on the car, getting it going and make sure everything's good on it. Steve put a great tune up in it today. 10.8 off the trailer, 10.2 the second pass. We only got 2 passes. It was like 139, I think, was the second pass. So I'm pretty excited about it. We think we can get it well into the 9s because the car is still turned down. We got a little bit of timing we can put in it. Probably close to 10 degrees, or 10 pounds of boost still can go in it. But if we do, we're probably gonna get kicked out. So we're gonna try to hit 10.0 tomorrow, because in my class 10.0 is what I need to hit to be competitive. So we're gonna try to get 10.0 on the dot. Maybe add 2 more pounds of boost just to get it right to that 10.0 flat. We're gonna see if we can win the class tomorrow. I don't know if it'll happen, but for the first time the car's ever been out, first time I've ever done quarter mile or really drag, especially competitively, I'm very happy with today. We'll have a lot more tomorrow. We'll try to get more of the different events going on, but it was just kind of a busy day. So let me finish getting this edited for you guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. I appreciate it. Until next time.